How to cancel an Instacart subscription. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Instacart app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you'll find the option of account. Click on it. Now in this page, you're going to find different sections. Under Instacart Plus, you will be able to find the option of Instacart subscription. You have to click on it. As I haven't upgraded to Instacart Plus subscription, I'm not getting that option. But in the case you have upgraded to Instacart subscription, you will be able to find it over here. Instacart Plus is a membership program that offers unlimited free grocery deliveries on orders of $35 or more, low service fees and other exclusive benefits. If you want to cancel the subscription, all you have to do is click on it. With that, you will get the option of cancel. Click on it. Now you have to provide the reason why do you want to cancel the subscription. Select the reason and click on the option of cancel. With that, your Instacart subscription will be cancelled. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily cancel an Instacart subscription. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.